Here's a little deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The material's been wetted and the white is a reflection from the lights. A little bit of a mixture. A couple of bits there I've thrown in. There's not a lot of colour in it, this first piece. Second piece has been ground down there, as you can see in the centre. I'd say cut it through there with a saw, end up with two stones, a blue and a green one. This bit I've just thrown in, it's not a lot of colour in it. Pinky reds up the top here. Again, it's been ground down in the centre. I think if you had a Dremel, you might be able to chase a lot of this brown stone out of here and end up with a bigger stone, pinks, reds. This has basically got a bit of colour on the edge there. Just cut a little long skinny stone, the rest of it's nothing. This piece is a bit of Koroite matrix type material, very fine grain, hard stone. Blues and greens over here. Just go up a bit closer so you get a better look. I think you get the idea. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.